So magandang araw kabola. Sa video na ito kabola, pag-uusapan natin trade alert na naman, trade alert. And kung malaki na po yung Northport trade ng Magnolia kabola, malaki din to. Ito naman ang trade ng TNT at saka Converge kabola, and this is also a very big trade kabola. So sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe muna with this, Chito Victolero nag-comment siya kabola, explain niya ito man naging trade niya kabola to get Navarro. Sabi niya matagal na daw ito na pagplanuhan. Sinasabi niya kabola mahirap daw pakawalan po siya. Well, of course may malaking role, pero yung mahirap pakawalan in exchange for a top 10 player in this tournament kabola, ay hindi ganun kahirap yan kabola, knowing the age difference. And then yung matagal nang napagplanuhan, baka more of matagal na pong available sa kanila yung pagkuha kay Navarro, pero yung mismong trade I doubt po kabola na matagal na po napagplanuhan kabola. Now comments muna tayo ng mga fans kabola. Pa-shoutout sir Ronald Barbusidad, then Joel De Guzman sa Converge, mapupunta si Mikey Williams at nangyari na nga po, nasa Converge na po ang rights nitong si Mikey Williams kabola. So the trade is a straight swap. Jordan heading for Mikey Williams kabola. Is that a trade na fair kabola? In my eyes, it's clearly not. It's clearly in favor po of TNT kabola, unless there's just one point that could make this a fair exchange kabola. And if that is yung injury po ni Heading is actually very bad injury kabola, na affected talaga yung future niya kabola, diba? Yung kanya pong problema sa back. Kung ganun po kalala yung injury na yan kabola, pwedeng sabihin natin na medyo pantay-pantay pa rin tong trade po na ito. Pero kabola, wala tayong nababalitaan na ganun. So sa assessment natin kabola, this is a clear victory for TNT. Bakit po kabola? Kasi again, Mikey Williams, hindi nga po siya nakapirma kabola. It's rights lang yung iba. Kumbaga, confident siguro yung Converge that they can sign him. Ganun siguro po ang nangyari dito. Pero the last time I check kabola, si Charles Chu kabola ang connection niya. Sina Jacob Lau ang connection niya. And those guys, I do believe, are not already part of the management of Converge. So what's happening here? Diba kabola? What's happening here? Kabola, diba? Before this trade happens, kabola, naglabas ng mga banat itong si Snowbad, pertaining ata dito po sa Converge kabola, that they have internal turmoil kabola. And then suddenly, slowly but surely, this trade suddenly pop up, suddenly happen kabola, diba? So, is that connected kabola, yung suddenly po na magkaka-trade dito? Pero, again, to the management of Converge, I do not understand kung bakit po sila napao in this one kabola. They have the leverage. Mikey Williams and TNT are having a hard time getting a contract kabola. Bakit sila pumayag na si Heading, who is on a good contract kabola, ay papapuntahin na rin doon in exchange for Mikey Williams? They should have at least asked kabola for at least 2 second round picks in addition to Mikey Williams kabola, diba? Bakit hindi man lang yun yung in-ask po nila kabola, diba? Doon ka mapapaisip Now, for the end, of course, this is a big win for them. Heading, they need a point guard. Heading is a point guard. They need a shooter. Heading is a shooter. Arguably a top 5 shooter in the PBA kabola. So this is a big win for them kabola. Yun nga lang, merong chemistry problem dito, diba? Point guard po kabola, and kailangan din nila i-develop yung chemistry muna. So hindi rin nakakasigurado chemistry-wise. For Converge naman kabola, what they want here is that Mikey Williams is still the guy. If Mikey Williams is still the guy at 33 years old, kabola, then they still have a chance to win this trade if Mikey can lead them to a championship. Diba kabola? If they can be led to a championship by Mikey Williams, then we can say that Converge still won this trade. Pero hindi yan mangyayari kabola, and yung nakita natin na laruan niya sa Dubai, ang totoong current na level niya kabola, talagang masakit sa ulo ang ginawa po ng Converge. Especially if they cannot even sign him into contract. They should first sign him into a contract kabola. That's their first business kabola. Kamabal sa pagkaya mo, tama bang ginawa po dito ng Converge? Kami lang po, so ba?